Hey, remember things such as acne are actually completely normal during puberty, and it takes extreme care to take control of it, and sometimes it's not even possible. And the reason it seems gross, two things. I actually checked in with ChatGPT and I got it exactly right. First of all, main thing, society. It idealizes perfectly clear, smooth skin, so when you don't have that, bad. It actually does that with a lot of things. You need long nails, you need thick lashes, you need thick eyebrows, you need perfect. Yeah, that's how they make money. If they just said, hey, you can look whatever you want, we're just gonna sell lipstick, then they would make no money. So they have to constantly push to tell you, this is what you should be. Oh, and by the way, we can offer that for just $50 a week. Yeah, that's how pretty much all cosmetic industries work. And second, it's very similar to stuff that could be like diseases or poor hygiene. For instance, not during puberty, just in general, if someone has a rash, they could either have a disease, which is bad, disease bad, not good survive, so brain makes you feel bad, or they could not be treating themselves properly and they haven't taken a shower in 10 weeks, and that means their skin is freaking out because there's a ton of bacteria there. Also, bad thing, not good, no, bad survive. So brain make it not happy. So, in my opinion, what you should do, first of all, defy the cosmetic norms. Anything that tells you need a perfect jawline and clear skin and no. That's only designed to get money out of you, and honestly, it's just really stupid. Just accept people for who they are. And second of all, learn to adapt. There's going to be a lot of people, like me, who have these general things that is really hard to or impossible to take care of, and they're perfectly normal. So, if you can, use your logic to override your inherent sense of disgust and try to get past that. Now, if it is legitimately disgusting for a proper reason, then okay. For instance, if someone has a skin disease and their skin is peeling off and it is potentially contagious, do not touch them. That is a pretty obvious thing. But if they have one pimple, don't judge them, please. That is very rude. I'm not saying this is like a thing that has happened to me. At least I don't think it has happened to me. I haven't noticed anyone judging me for it. But just don't do that because it is natural. But assess the situation depending, on whether it actually is natural and hard to take care of, or if they are actually just completely unclean or have a disease. Also, things like BO can apparently release pheromones to attract mates. But in that case, despite the fact that it is natural, it smells disgusting. So no, put on deodorant. That's not an optional get past it thing. That's a you need to put deodorant on thing. If you have VO, please. Also, don't smoke. That's disgusting. And don't vape or do any drugs. Those are disgusting. Don't do those, please. They're gross. They're just like, they're bad. No, bad survive, not good. Bad kill, lung, inhale, metal, toxin, chemical, bad. No, people around you not like, no addiction, bad. Drug bad, no drug bad survive.